Howdy traders! Welcome back to the channel. I'm your prop trading guru, here to bring you the latest and greatest updates from the prop trading industry for September 2024. If you're looking to stay ahead in the game, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore exciting changes from top firms that are reshaping the trading landscape, like instant funding options, profit splits, and new trading platforms. So, let's dive in. 1. Fifi. Milestones and innovations. First up, let's talk about Fifi. This firm has been making significant waves lately. Payout milestone. Over $20 million in payouts to traders this year. An impressive feat highlighting their community's success. New platform launch. Introducing Fire Futures, aimed at traders in the rapidly growing futures market. Growing community. Surpassed 150,000 active traders globally, solidifying their position in the prop trading space. 2. Pips funding. Streamlined payments. Next, let's look at Pips funding. New payment options. They've introduced Apple Pay and Google Pay for secure and convenient payments. Enhanced customer experience. This move streamlines the purchasing process for evaluations, making trading more accessible. 3. E8 Markets Weekly Recognition. E8 Markets is stepping up its game with some exciting new features. E8 Weekly Magazine. Launched every Friday, showcasing top trader performances. Highlights include the top 5 payouts and highest risk-to-reward trades. 4. F-Game. Significant payouts. Now let's check in with F-Game. Payout achievement. They've reached €4 million in payouts to traders in 2024, a testament to their commitment to rewarding performance. 5. Funder Pro. Refund policy update. Next on our list is Funder Pro. Refund policy changes. Refunds will now be processed alongside the first payout, encouraging better risk management and discipline. 6. OFP. Trade Locker launch. OFP has introduced an exciting new tool for traders. Trade Locker, a cutting-edge platform that incorporates AI-driven algorithms, advanced charting tools, and educational resources. Tailored for all skill levels, simplifying complex trading processes. 7. Funded Trader. New challenges and instruments. Moving on to Funded Trader, they've been busy. Night Pro Challenge. A simplified one-step evaluation process based on community feedback. New trading instruments. Introduction of US natural gas and weekend trading for cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. 8. FTUK. Free trial account. FTUK has launched a fantastic opportunity. A free trial account. A 14-day risk-free trial to simulate their evaluation program, allowing traders to test skills without financial commitment. 9. Lux Trading. Payment and learning innovations. Lux Trading is making significant strides as well. Crypto payment method. Eliminating additional processing fees for cryptocurrency payments. Trade replication feature. Allows traders to mirror top performers' trades, providing valuable insights and strategies. 10. SFX Funded. Major upgrades. SFX Funded has rolled out SFX Funded 2.0. Platform upgrades. Enhanced website performance and user-friendly features. New Rapid Challenge. Quick funding opportunities with a 5% profit target. 11. Crypto Fund Trader. New integrations. Crypto Fund Trader has also launched exciting updates. Trading View integration. Seamless access to advanced charting directly on their platform. Customizable evaluations. New features tailored to individual trading styles. 12. Goat Funded Trader. Instant funding and localized payment options. Goat Funded Trader is making waves with instant funding, triple payday payout schedule. Traders can request payouts 3 times a month. A localized payment options. Now includes Skrill and local currency payment methods for several African countries. 13. Leveled Up Traders. New payment methods. Last but not least, Leveled Up Traders has introduced new payment options. A credit and debit card payments. Streamlining the payment process for US-based traders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all things prop trading. Until next time, happy trading!